Want to play 2xko on your Windows PC? Let me show you how. You want to head over to this website called Riot Games that come and easily create an account, right? And once you create an account, you can create an account with your Gmail address or your Facebook or whatever, right? And you will be able to sign in. And this actually works like Ubisoft, right? You have a ton of you have some really cool games that you can play, and so it allows you to quickly install them on your computer. All that it requires for you is an account, and it also requires for you to have the necessary space on your PC. So you need hard drive space, guys. Now, once you're in this Riot Games, you click this on the upper left hand side where it shows Riot Games. Once you expand this, you will be able to see games showing to you. And so right here in the list, you can see that it shows the 2xko, and you can easily go ahead and select this game directly from here. What's going to happen is going to open up a new window for you to click play for free, which that's what you want. You choose, for example, PC option right here. And once you select the PC option, you'll have download for Windows. You click on that, it's going to quickly download on your computer. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel it because, as you can see, I have it there already. And so what we will do, I'm going to pause this and quit. I'm going to click on this now to install the 2xko. Now, what this actually does, it's gonna pop up on your computer for you to allow it, and it will give you this option now to install. You click on install, and what's gonna happen is that it's gonna open up within the client. It's gonna trigger the client on your computer. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So afterwards you'll have this pop up right here, ask you to sign into the client. So you select your email, your password here, you sign in. If you have a Google account, you will proceed using the same steps as I'm showing you right here to sign into your account. And once that is done, it will show you like it's gonna redirect for you to sign into the client. So it's gonna pop up, ask you to open the client. If you haven't got the client installed, it's gonna allow you to install and open the client on your computer. But once you have it, it's gonna just reopen the client for you, where you'll have the option now to install it, right? And so you can see that it now shows the client. Now it's gonna show you the game itself. And so here you can see, for example, I'm currently download Valorant on the computer right here, but you also have the 2x KO right here. As you can see, it's here. So you just need to go ahead and click on install. That's what you do. You click on install to install a game directly from here. And as you can see, for example, right here, I have an example which I'm currently installing the Valorant. So this is the same step. You click on install and it's going to install. You need to ensure that you have enough space on your computer for it to install, but this is how you can easily go ahead and install it. And this is how you'll be able to install the 2xko as well by hitting install. It's going to install on your computer. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Go ahead and do this, and you'll be able to have it installed on your PC so that you can play the game.